This is the emergency alert system. This is not a test. Important information will follow this tone. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At approximately 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, multiple unidentified flying objects have entered Earth's atmosphere. These objects have been confirmed to be of extraterrestrial origin and are descending rapidly towards major cities worldwide. The extraterrestrial vessels have displayed hostile actions. Citizens in all major metropolitan areas are advised to evacuate immediately. If you are in a major city, gather your family, essential supplies, and proceed to the nearest evacuation route. Avoid highways and main roads to minimize traffic congestion. Residents in rural areas should seek shelter and remain indoors. Global military forces have been mobilized in response to this threat. Do not attempt to engage with the alien vessels or any extraterrestrial beings. Stay tuned to this station for updates and further instructions. Repeat, do not engage with the alien vessels or any extraterrestrial beings. This message will repeat.